So, my dears, I was in a cave. This is a cave. There is tortoise. I have been down there, as you saw in my video. So now I'm outside. They said this cave has been here forever, but for 3 years ago, they decided to put tortoise. So this is the tortoise. We are trying to show you. Very nice mandhari. You see cocos, you see hotel. You can order anything here, they will make it for you. So this is it, and this is the beach. Let us go here. So the name of this area, it is Kizimkazi. It is Kizimkazi. So I'm showing you this area. You can come. In fact, our president is living the next door, I can say. This is the cave. They call it Salama Cave. And the president lives in another area. We are now having visitors. The president is from Mozambique. He's in this country. So this is it. This is it. Come to visit. Come to Zanzibar. See this cave. Tortoise Salama Cave. This is Zanzibar. Very nice area. You will not regret. You will not regret. Thank you so much. Just follow me as I continue to bring you things from Zanzibar. Now we are going to see another animals. So thank you so much.